Okay, this is complete analysis of fixed beam. This had appeared for 10 marks in April 2018 question paper. So let's solve this. A fixed beam of span 8 meter carries 2-point loads. So I will draw this. This is a fixed beam of 8 meter long span. I will name this as A and B. Carries 2-point load 40 kilonewton and 75 kilonewton. This is 40 kilonewton and this is 75 kilonewton at 2 meters and 4 meters from left support. So first one is 2 meters and second one is 4 meters from left support. So remaining distance here is 4 meters and this is 6 meters, total 8 meters. Calculate the support moments and draw SFT and BMD. What is asked to find is MFAB, MFBA, that is this moment and this moment, and draw the SFT and BMD. So I will just simplify this in two parts when I draw. This is for fixity, okay, this is for fixity condition, plus I will draw simply supported. 40 and 75, and this is AB, this is AB, this is simply supported. Okay, now I want to analyze this. So to draw PMD, I'm going to leave this space and I'm starting it somewhere here. Okay, step 1 for this. Step 1, analyze the beam as simply supported beam. So what are we going to do? We are going to calculate reactions, calculate bending moments, and draw shear force diagram. So I will analyze them. First one, finding the reaction, same procedure what we have done in MNS. Okay, so this will be RA plus RB is equal to 40 plus 75. So this is 40 plus 75, 115 kilonewton. Then moment I am calculating 40 into 2 plus 75 into 4 minus 8 RB. So RB is equal to 40 into 2 plus 75 into 4 divided by 8. This is 47.5 kilonewton. So RA is 115 minus 47.5, 67.5 kilonewton. Okay, these are the reactions which we have got. Okay, now if I want to draw shear force diagram for this, 67.5 upward, 67.5 minus 40. Okay, this is constant, and then we come here 27.5, then again it goes constant, minus 75 to this is 47.5. this you have learned, so I'm just going quickly. Plus 67.5, that closes, this is plus, this is minus, this is SFT for simply supported case. Okay, simply supported case SFT. This is done. Now I'm going to find maximum bending